Okay. What's going on, guys? I don't know if you can see me well. It's nighttime out here. I'm under a little light. But Eric just got a new clutch in the M5. And we're going to go take it for a little spin and see what's going on. See how responsive it is. He did wear it in. It took it took a tank of gas to wear it in. But we're going to go see how it is now and put it to the test.
So there's going to be a little bit of oil smell. What I've noticed on the way back. First time I've ever smelled oil in this car. But it's probably because he did all the hoses and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Power steering fluid. Sounds about right.
Hot one.
Just like more there, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, it's like instant response.
What's the best way? Should I go left or right? I feel like I'm going a little left.
Right. Talk about putting them tires to the pavement, boy. I will tell you, this car is a lot smoother than it was. All the shifts, the power straight there to the wheel. He's skirting tire in second and third. It's a nice setup.
It's real. It's now, you know, it's a real M5. That's how it should be operating. It just puts that tire down now. It's crazy.
It's something else.
But then also at like highway speeds too.
It feels a lot better.
Honestly, it gets to 100 much quicker. Yeah. With like before.
That's what I like to hear. Mr. Loud Pipes is back in action. That was our turn, but we can turn on another one if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sound like a trombone.
It do.
Trumpet.
Finna get it cracking in here, boy? That's how you turn around in an M5. Smell like tires.
Man, it's like good quality rubber too.
It is.
Just gotta take it a little sideways.
You know? I think that's etiquette. We just got back from the drive. I'll tell you what, the M5 drove a whole lot better than it did before. It was a lot smoother, a lot more responsive. Clutch work, amazing. What is your thoughts about it now after having it about a week?
Yeah, so you know, just had the clutch done about almost 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks now. Had that done about 2 weeks ago. Also had the power steering hoses replaced, and then also did the flex disc, also known as the giubo. Replaced that as well. And honestly, it feels like a brand new car. It's mechanically sound. There's nothing wrong with it. It performs how M5 should perform. So.
That's what I like to hear. Yeah, it sounded amazing. It felt amazing. It smells like tire out here. Yeah, it makes me want to hop in mine and get it going. You know. But yeah, I think that's it for us. We're just gonna go in and chill now. Maybe get it going a little bit tomorrow. We'll see. But all in all, We got big things coming.
Hell yeah.
Stay tuned. Make sure you click subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram.
Yep.
Peace.